So now let's see how we can actually go ahead and utilize face recognition inside of Adobe Lightroom Classic. So to do that, first of all, I need some photos with some faces in it. So to do that, I'm going to go around onto import right here, just like this. And then I'm going to import out some photos that I have with faces, with people in it. So as my source window actually opens up, I'm just going to go around over here and then go around onto the family folder. So here you can see that I got some images. So I'm simply going to go around and then import all of these out right here, just like this. So once I go ahead and do that, all of those images will be imported out. So those are the images with faces. So you can see that this is what you have right here. So now what you can actually do right here is, let's say, for example, turn on the facial recognition option right here by turning on the people option right here. So once you do that, you can see that I have an option to start finding faces in the entire catalog, which you can do, but it will take some time if you want to search for everything. But I just want to find faces as needed now right here. So now once I go ahead and do that, what happens is that it'll simply go ahead and then search out for the people that you have opened up in a particular folder. And here you can see that right now it says unnamed people right here. And so the question mark right here, just like this, for the people, for the faces right here, as you can see. So out of the images that you have right here, you can see that it detected out faces right here. So I'm just going to go around and say, let's say, for example, Mark right here. So I can simply go ahead and type in Mark right here, just like this. And once I do that, you can see that it names that person Mark right here. And then similar faces it detected out as well. So this one is the same person right here. So I want to name this out as Mark as well. So now what I can simply do is I can go around over here and then simply go ahead and type in Mark right here, just like this, because this is the same person right here, just like this, and that becomes, and then you can see that this is Mark as well. You can simply press enter. So it is asking whether this is Mark as well, but I'm just going to go around and say Tony right here, because this is a different person right here. So I'm just going to go around over here and type in a different name for this. And then this is what you have, as you can see right here. So this is not Mark, this is Tony. So I'm simply going to go around and type that in right there, just like that as well. And then that is another person. So you can simply press enter and that person is there. So over here as well. So this is Tony right here. So I can simply go ahead and then type that in right here, just like this. And now you can see that the person has been divided out accordingly right here. So you can see that there's people right here, there's Tony, there's Mark right here, which has been allocated these particular names. So now we know that for this particular person, there's 3 photos. For this one, there's 4 photos right here. So you can simply go ahead and then, let's say, for example, go around over here onto that particular person. And then this is what you see. You see the facial recognition right here, just like this, and then it recognizes out the person right here. So this is what you have. So if I were to go around over here, you can see that there's Mark and Tony. So I can go around and see the photos related to that particular person. You can go ahead right here, double click and expand to the full photo. So if you have people right here, this is how you can actually go ahead and then categorize them out as per facial recognition feature inside of Adobe Photoshop Lightroom. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.